Thukuru ikumi na igiri cia andu aria mari na mawathe kuuma kaunti itiganite guku bururi-ini niciikiraniire ngirimiti na gikundi gia gibũrũri gia guthaitira aria mari na mawathe kuria o thukuru igukorwo ikiamukira ciringi mirioni 2.5 iria mekwamukira na matina matatu. Gicunji kia mbere kia mbeca ici magiciamukira o muthi.
11-12 years ago, we introduced this program that we call the Big Grants Program. Got tremendous help and support from the government. And we credit, because it started with Mzee Kibaki, we credit a lot of that.
Gukinyeria riu tafarira igana rimwe ria 53 mathukuru-ini matiganite ni iheanirwo mbeca ni gikundi giki guothe bururi-ini, na tafarira igana rimwe ria 24 ni irikite na iria itigarite iri hakuhi kurika. Muikariri giti wa ruhonge ruru Christina Pratt akiuria thukuru iria ciamukirite kigina kiu umuthi kurutithia wira uria ifati.
And through the support and assistance of the government, we've been able to increase that from 25 to 75 million. Our clerk of works comes out and does an assessment to see the progress that you've made with the money that you'll be given today. And with that, if there's no issues, then you're given the second, and then subsequently the third tranche.
Imwe cia thukuru iria igunikite ni hamwe na thukuru wa Muiga Special uri Nyeri, Tala Boys, Wajir Girls Integrated na Mawanga Kaloleni hamwe na ingi. Mbeca ici mahetwo ikirongoreria gwaka ona kana kuongerera irathi, nyumba cia toro, kundu gwa kurugira hamwe na cioro.
So we still do have a backlog, but we must work within the parameters of the funds which are available to ourselves. We also have a very long assessment process that we use.
Na niguo guthura thukuru iria ikugunika, thukuru kana mundu kiumbe abatara gutuma marua kuri gikundi giki magitariria uria mangienda guteithio gwika ona kana tafarira iria marongoreirie gukinyaniria, na thutha ucio bodi ya gikundi giki igaikara thi niguo guthuthuria na kuhitukia ni thukuru iriku ikugunika na kigina giki. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwiruri.